If your child can't do this, you need to watch this video. Hey, I'm George from MIRA Safety, here today to talk to you about the MD2 Child's Gas Mask with PAPR. So why did I blow up the balloon in the beginning? As a general guideline, if your child is not able to inflate a balloon on their own, they don't have sufficient lung development or lung capacity in order to breathe on their own through a traditional gas mask. They need some assistance, and that assistance comes from a PAPR. What is a PAPR? A PAPR is a powered air purifying respirator. It's battery operated to increase air that flows through a filter and therefore pushing it into whether it be a gas mask or in this case, a hood. The MD2 is a fully enclosed escape hood system with an integrated PAPR. It's specifically engineered for children ages 2 years old up to small teens. So why use a PAPR? In stressful situations, it's easier to breathe. The positive flow air that's coming through the system and into the mask decreases breathing resistance, increasing somebody's ability to breathe. So how does it work? We have the 40 millimeter opening here, and on our filter, we have our 40 millimeter threading. So we remove the cover from the threading, we remove the cover from the back of the filter, where air is going to come through. I simply screw that into the 40 millimeter housing, and it's just hand tight. It's not over tightening, I didn't gorilla grip it, it's just hand tight there. This is ready to go now. The batteries are already installed. All I have to do now is press the button. Purified air is coming through the filter system, through the hose, up to 45 liters per minute entering the mask. It's positive pressure, and what that means is air is constantly being blown into that mask and that hood system, therefore not allowing contaminated air to enter in from the outside. The MD2 is a fully rated CBRN system, meaning once it's deployed with the appropriate filter, it's rated for all of your CBRN threats, ticks, TIMS, radiological threats, and other sorts of vapors and hazards. The hood itself is rated for up to 240 minutes of mustard gas exposure. The MD2 comes with the hood, a PAPR, a backpack harness, so if I wanted to put it on a child, they can wear it as a backpack, a unique hard-sided carrying case for protection, and also its own hydration system. The hydration system is effective for sheltering in place or longer evacuations. All you have to do in order to get the hydration system to work is unscrew the top part like you would any type bottle, fill it with your liquid, screw the top cap back into place, and then now I want to unscrew the small portion here. As you can see, it's threaded. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this part off, and then you can see that this now is gonna marry up with that threading system there. And I'm gonna screw that into place. That's now connected. And then on the inside, the child has either a nipple for a traditional bottle, or that can be removed and you'll have a straw on the inside. Lastly, with just a standard 4 C123 batteries that you could buy in any home improvement store, the PAPR has a continuous runtime of roughly 15 to 22 hours. Who is this good for? Family emergency planning kits, schools and institutions, urban evacuation settings where you have to get out of town very quickly, like in Conyers, Georgia or East Palestine, Ohio, sheltering in place for long periods of time, or high threat, volatile areas. MIRA Safety is committed to providing safety and security to all members of the family. We're the only ones that provide a system exclusively for children. You alone are responsible for the safety and security of your kids. Therefore, you need a system like the MD2 to be able to ensure that they have purified air to breathe in an emergency like that. Sometimes these children are not able to breathe through an APR or air purified respirator on their own. They need the assistance of a PAPR in order to do so. Here at MIRA Safety, we're the only ones that can provide that for you. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.